Watch the swell, steady as she goes.
Clear the deployment zone now.
The ROV is being lowered into the water, and the crew is coordinating the deployment.
Check the main hydraulic line connector again, B.
It's secure, A. All systems check out, ready for lowering.
All right, engage the drum, keep the ascent steady. We're showing 20,000 and rising.
Copy that, maintaining speed. It's coming up.
Yes! We did it, guys! We actually did it!
Tension the main cable.
Main cable tensioning now.
Check the tension on the forward stabilizers.
They're all secure. Moving to the next point.
Hold steady on the bow line.
Aye, steady as she goes.
All secure forward, over.
All tugs, maintain heading 090. Watch the starboard clearance at pillar 12.
Roger that. Adjusting course now.
This section here, the localized corrosion suggests a coolant leak.
I agree. The spectrograph data confirms the isotopic signature. We should mark this for immediate containment.
Maintain angle on the water line. We're almost through the thickest part. Copy. Adjusting now.
The conduit layout here seems inconsistent with the digital archive. See this detail on the schematic.
Yes, the historical photographs confirm. Reroute power from the main deflector array first.
Agreed. That stabilizes the lower hull plating. Check the thermal readout here.
Make sure the seal is tight on the lower quadrant.
Copy that, adjusting the clamps now. The structural supports are clear on this side.
Confirmed. Tablet shows green across the board. Proceed with the lift.
This meticulous cataloging system is crucial for managing the thousands of individual pieces of the USS Enterprise.
Resurrected. The deep sea recovery phase is green across the board for Q3.
And the resource allocation for the hull plating. Are we still on schedule there?
Easy on the starboard side. Watch the clearance. Copy that. Coming up slowly.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Steady, steady. Now track it aft.
We've got significant corrosion around the main bus bar, Dr. Chen. It's actively dripping.
This scene powerfully highlights the critical phase of structural rebuild, absolutely essential for restoring the carrier's core integrity.
Initiating range test sequence.
Actuators responding within tolerance.
Calibration complete. All parameters optimal.
Alignment on the starboard strut is drifting 0.05.
Compensating now. Bring it back to center.
Alignment is stable on the starboard vector.
Millimeter adjustment authorized. Locking sequence initiated.
Finalizing sequence.
Torque confirmed. We have structural and chill integrity.
Bring her down slowly now, 5 centimeters to target.
Confirmed, 5 centimeters. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Aft coupling looks clear, steady as she goes. Slow and steady on the port side.
Alignment confirmed. We are green to lock.
Full deflection achieved, reading stable.
Confirmed. System check complete on my end.
Bridge to ground station, radio check. Over. Ground station copies, loud and clear. Out. Keep her steady on the guide path.
All green on the starboard side.
Clear to proceed, slow and steady.
It's incredible they managed to restore her to this condition.
Look at the size of that anchor.